let me tell you something. When I made this salad, I felt so good. And what I like about this salad, you only need 5 ingredients. So what I did, I took a half of green cabbage. I sliced it, but I cut it in small pieces. Then I took 2 pink lady apples. I washed them, but I diced them small, almost like croutons. So I put it on the top of the green cabbage. Then I put 6 tablespoons of avocado oil and 2 tablespoons of red balsamic vinegar. And I used 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. That way I didn't have to use any salt. I gave it a nice mix. When I was eating this salad, I really felt like my body was appreciating the salad. I felt healthy. I felt full. It was incredible. I mean, this salad, you can serve it for 2 people, but I loved it so much. I ate it all by myself. And what I like about that, I didn't have to have any bread. How we eat is how we feel. I do enjoy taking a regular recipe and make it healthier. If you have a recipe you would like me to make it healthier, please send me an email.